So today the wifey and I are taking our humble golden crust, you know, $1.25 patty, and we are umphing it up, bigging it up, mega it up, and make it greater. We're making this for our breakfast this morning, and we have a tomato, our salad. This came from my backyard, guys. This is from my backyard garden. We have some lettuce here, and we have 2 eggs. We're gonna make this patty into an amazing patty sandwich. And the first thing we want to do is, as you see here, we take the patty out of the bag and we're gonna warm it up in our toaster oven. Our patties are in the toaster oven and they are baking, and we will definitely be making our sandwich hot. The next thing we're gonna do now is fry the egg. Yes, fry the eggs. So this is a masterclass from a master chef on how to fry a egg. See that, guys? So we're gonna fry the eggs now, and she have to take out the eye. I mean, don't know if egg have an eye, but take it out anyway. Yes, this is an ongoing debate. The egg don't have no eye. Don't business who have eggs. And you put your little pepper and your salt, and you make your egg fry dry because it's gonna be patted. Yes, encrusted in the patty. And I don't know how she goes about getting the egg to not stick, because if it was me using this pot, it will stick. Now you can't flip it. Okay, see there? Egg are gone. The egg is egging. So now you just want to take your hot patty and cut it along the folded lines so that you can open it. Hopefully it don't break. Yeah, that can stay right there, so right, baby, not for opening no more.
That's fine.
Alright, good. And then you just want to add your eggs. This is the chicken patty. Ouch.
Curry chicken patty, so I'm not adding any cheese.
Curry chicken patty, yeah. And then we're gonna add the rest of stuffs. Ready? And of course for the meat one, we want to add some cheese, some shredded cheese. Yeah. Before I put my egg. Alright, make that stay there and go and permutate. So here we have our patty with our eggs in place, and we're just gonna cut our tomatoes and add them to our patty with the lettuce. And guys, this is our mega patty pan steroids. Yes, the breakfast idea is great because the eggs does have add that little protein and stuff, but I promise you guys, this is the way in which you can take a simple dollar store patty, a simple regular Jamaican patty, and make it nice. Whoa, mama.
This is good.
It's good. Well, I guess I'll take a bite too then. Mine's is beef with eggs and cheese. Girl. Patty take life. It's very good and nutritious and riboflavin. Thank you.